Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a phone number onto your Steam account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your user ID and password. After logging in order to add a phone number to your account, click on your account username at the top right corner and then click on Account Details. Now within this page, underneath Contact Info, you will see the Add a Phone Number option. Go ahead and click on it, and if you have set up an authenticator with the Steam mobile application, then you will be asked to enter a code to verify your identity. Check for this code within the mobile application and type it in and click on the next button. You will now be allowed to enter your phone number. Just choose your country code and then enter your phone number within the given box. After typing this in, click on the next button and you will be sent an SMS within your phone. Just check your SMS and enter the code that you see within on the next screen. After typing it in, you can finally click on the confirm option, and now this phone number will be added onto your Steam account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a phone number onto your Steam account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.